A modern car can look fine, then suddenly stall, refuse a hot start, or light up multiple warning lamps. That's because the ECM isn't alone. It's coordinating a whole network of modules and sensors.
When several systems complain together, it often points to one shared problem, not many unrelated failures.
Weak power, voltage drop, or a shifting ground reference can make healthy modules behave unpredictably. Professional diagnostics start with a full vehicle scan, because the ECM only sees part of the story. 6. Analyzing the vehicle's preserved diagnostic history reveals critical patterns. Observe the archived data states, each holds unique. Next comes live data, watching how airflow, fuel control, and timing react in real conditions. Then bidirectional tests command components on purpose to confirm the wiring and actuators respond correctly. Before blaming computers, technicians verify battery and charging health and test power and grounds under load. Voltage drop testing proves whether energy is actually reaching the module, not just present at rest. Intermittent faults often come from harness flex, pin fit issues, corrosion, or heat-related expansion. To separate noise from truth, waveform testing checks signal integrity for sensors and control outputs. If communication collapses, one module or a wiring fault can drag the shared network down. Network health is verified by isolating segments methodically, watching for the moment the bus recovers. Because some problems only show up moving or hot, professionals reproduce conditions instead of guessing parts. Once the fault domain is proven, the repair path becomes targeted. Wiring, grounds, sensors, network, or software. Reprogramming isn't casual. Stable power and correct procedures prevent corrupted modules and security mismatches. DIY limits are real around airbags and pretensioners. Probing the wrong circuit can be dangerous. Security systems add another layer, where authorization issues can look like a no start or a bad ECM. Lock NCAL's takeaway. Use codes as clues, then prove power, signals, and network integrity before replacing anything.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Lock & Cal for more content like this.